Our first caller for tonight is Sumaya from France.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, Sheikh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
My question is about dua and tawakkul. So if a person makes dua for something that seems quite impossible according to their circumstances, while fully believing that nothing is impossible for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, yet due to their situation and thoughts, they experience deep worry, sorrow, and emotional distress. So in this case, what is the correct understanding of tawakkul? Does true reliance on Allah mean that a believer should not feel worry or sadness at all, or is experiencing these emotions while continuing to make dua still compatible with proper tawakkul? Barakallahu fikum.
Wa fikum barakallah. The concept of trusting Allah, depending on Him, and fully relying on Him, the Almighty, known as tawakkul, meaning that you believe that you have no power, no might other than with Allah Azza wa Jal. And whatever Allah Azza wa Jal decrees will happen, and whatever Allah Azza wa Jal wills not to happen will never happen. This balance between being hopeful, being positive, doing whatever is in your capacity, while attaching your heart to Allah and knowing that nothing can materialize without Him allowing it to materialize, is tawakkul. The end result, whether this happens or not, is in Allah's hands. And this is why we're always content, regardless of the outcome. We think positively of Allah Azza wa Jal, and we're hopeful, we're wishful. Yet, this does not mean we do not become sad or distressed or sometimes depressed, because this is only human and we're nothing but humans. However, this kind of emotion must not transgress or go beyond the limits where I would reach the limit of despair or object or complain. As long as I don't have these feelings, I'm fine. Now, if the circumstances and everything around me indicates that this is impossible to happen, I have to weigh the pros and cons, because I know that Allah Azza wa Jal is capable of doing anything He wills, but also that Allah Azza wa Jal had set rules and regulations and norms that the universe is run through. His divine decree, subhanahu wa ta'ala, and His will. So I have to look into it. If someone is dead, I wouldn't say I have tawakkul in Allah that he will be resurrected now and Allah will bring him back to life. This is not possible. And the likes. So we have to be realistic in what we wish for, and Allah knows best.